This is the orange list. Number 1 is wife. My wife has blonde hair. Number 2 is foot. I bumped my foot on my desk. Number 3 is lives. My dog lives in my house with me. Number 4 is leaf. There was one leaf left on the tree. Number 5 is mouse. A mouse ran across the room to get the breadcrumb. Number 6 is wolves. The wolves live together in a den. Number 7 is knives. We put the knives in a high cabinet away from the baby. Number 8 is tooth. I have a loose tooth. Number 9 is wives. All of the wives sat together at dinner. Number 10 is feet. My feet were cold, so I put on my shoes. Number 11 is women. The women were watching the movie. Number 12 is geese. The geese swam together on the pond. Number 13 is loaves. I baked 3 loaves of bread. Number 14 is mice. The mice live together in a nest. Number 15 is knife. I used a knife to cut the meat. Number 16 is deer. The deer ran through the forest. Number 17 is sheep. The sheep had soft, fluffy wool. Number 18 is loaf. The loaf of bread had a brown crust on it. Number 18 is leaves. The leaves turned brown and then fell off the tree. Number 20 is woman. That woman is wearing a red coat. Number 21 is life. The life of a mosquito seems pretty simple. Number 22 is goose. The goose ate the bread that I tossed into the pond. Number 3 is wolf. That wolf has sharp teeth. Number 24 is teeth. I had my teeth cleaned at the dentist's office.